Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by my channel tonight, where you'll receive tips, techniques, and tutorials to inspire you in your own paper crafting projects. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below so that you can get notifications whenever I post future videos. So today I want to talk to you about a special that I'm running for the month of January 2019. This is one of our Sale-A-Bration items, the photopolymer stamps set. Well, actually, it's an occasions item. Sorry, this is during the occasions catalog. You can get this photopolymer stamp set, Butterfly Gala, and this is just gorgeous. You can mix and match so many colors to get just a wide variety. You can do it with the stamps because we have the outlines and then we have the pieces to fill in. Or you can get out your favorite coloring medium and do coloring, whether with watercolor pencils, Stampin' Right. You can use your alcohol Stampin' Blends. So whichever is your favorite coloring medium, these are going to just give you a lot of gorgeous options. So with the current Sale-A-Bration time, we've got the, you spend $50 or more, you can pick a free item. Now, one of those free items that coordinates beautifully with this is the Designer Series paper. So I am also running a special this month where you can get a card kit in the mail, and when you purchase $50 or more, now it does not have to be the Butterfly Gala stamp set included in that, but when you purchase $50 or more from my online store using the host code that will be on my store, then when you go to the first page, read in the description, the welcome, and you'll see that host code. So use that and you will be entered to get a card kit in the mail. So in addition to getting a free Sale-A-Bration item, you're going to get the supplies to make 6 cards from me. So isn't that great? So these are samples of those cards. You are going to get enough supplies to make 2 of each of these. Now I cannot send you the stamped images. That is not allowed by Stampin' Up. So if you don't have the Butterfly Gala, if that's not of interest to you, feel free to substitute different images and sentiments, but you will get all of the paper and embellishment supplies that you need to create these great cards. Now, if you are liking this Butterfly Gala set, then I'd suggest, if you want to get to that $50 price point, this Butterfly Gala set with the coordinating punch, and I've moved that somewhere on my desk here. So it's got a coordinating punch that goes with it to punch out those individual images. If you purchase that bundle, the Gingham Gala paper, which has this beautiful plaid design or gingham design, and it does have 2 sides. So we've got a small plaid and a larger plaid. So you purchase that set of DSP. There's some embellishments that coordinate with this, and you'll be at that $50 mark. But again, you can get any supplies that you want, but make sure you use that host code from my website. That'll all be linked below. Spend $50 or more, and you will get these in the mail as long as you're in the U.S., which I can only sell to people in the U.S., and these will be shipped out at the end of the month. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you are exploring your creativity with the new year, and make sure that you share those cards and those beautiful projects that you're creating with others. Thank you, and you have a great day.